Nature. Nature is painting for us, day after day, pictures of infinite beauty. Namaste, good afternoon and hello to the entire PSRN family and all my dear friends. I am Shreya Shrestha from Biratnagar. On the occasion of World Environment Day, I would like to express some of my views on ecosystem restoration. So, how many of we have really grown up planting trees? Once in a week or once in a year? No. According to the UN 2019 data, only 12% of the entire population around the world are working actively in ecosystem restoration and conservation. We come across piles of junk across the street, but people walk and pass by with their feet. We human beings are very lucky to live in this diverse ecosystem. But this has also emerged environmental degradation, which is one of the biggest environmental threats around the world over the last 3 decades. The Australian bushfire, volcanic eruption in Philippines, earthquake in China, Turkey, Japan, India, Nepal, air pollution in Kathmandu, locust swarms, cyclone. These all are the results of environmental degradation. But restoration can happen. We cannot afford to wait for others to stand for this environment, as nobody stands to lose more than we do. Between now and upcoming 2030, restoration of 350 million hectares of terrestrial and aquatic ecosystem could generate $9 trillion of ecosystem services. Do we know? Restoration could remove 13 to 26 gigaton of greenhouse gases from the atmosphere. Isn't that amazing? The beautiful trees, multicolored birds and butterflies, colorful fishes and marine life has filled this ecosystem with their cries and songs of delight. Because along with us, they too hope for their home to be restored. Nelson Mandela once said, "I dream of the vast desert, of the forest, of all the great wilderness." We must never forget that it's our duty to protect this environment. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, all kind of ecosystem could be restored, including forest, farmland, cities, wetlands, oceans. Restoration initiatives can be launched by anyone, from government and developing agencies to communities, business and cities and individuals. It also regulates diseases and reduces the risk of natural disasters. If we make an effort, change will come. Believing to see the first ray of the sunlight at the break of the dawn, I promise to work in hand to protect this mesmerizing environment and its beauty. Lastly, but not the least, be clean, go green. Thank you.